friends, at 6:13, stay tuned. This forecast that you're going to see, I know, I don't change it up all the time because the story remains the same and what I have to prepare you for. But I cooked up a little something that I know Cap and Tim will fine-tune tonight, and you want to stay updated because the guys will get it right tonight for sure as we look closer to it coming to fruition. And then Christina Ernie will have you covered tomorrow morning. This is where you need to see the evolvement as we watch our mess toward the south and west start to come in. So today, yeah, it's cold and quiet, but it's really what happens tomorrow that has all eyes on the forecast throughout the next 24 to 36 hours. Right now, it's cold. That's the story. 31 degrees in Albany to 25 in Saratoga. Yikes. It is really chilly out there, but at least winds have died down for now. Winds are not even measurable in a lot of backyards, and if they are, it's 5 or 7 miles per hour. That's nothing. But even with a light breeze, it could maybe make it feel a degree or two colder, but it's cold and will always feel cold, as today we only warm up to the upper 40s. And again, it's a dry forecast, so we encourage that for any outdoor events today. As cold as it is, you don't have to worry about the rain or snowflakes. Yeah, a little blip on the radar out to our west for parts Syracuse, maybe seeing a snow flurry, but really south of Syracuse, and maybe the Catskills getting in on a quick snowflake south and west of us. But really, it's just the bonus sunshine we have this morning. Once that sun rises at 7:21, it's going to be a good-looking morning, but don't expect it to last long. Clouds ahead of the mess to our south and west. That's what works in first. So morning sun, early morning sun, then cloudy, and then wet once we get to tomorrow. So today's day high of 48 degrees, not underwhelming, not a big deal. Even for high school football action tonight, it is dry, just cold and cloudy, falling back to 35. But it's by 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, this is where it gets a little busy. So for all of us, it's always really going to be the cold air that hits you and the chilly rain as early as 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. But here's where the potential lies, keyword potential, as we could already see for anybody, including Albany. We could see some sleet, wet snow mixing in by 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. And then higher elevations always have that magnet to the snow, if you will. 2,000 to 3,000 feet up, there's a better chance where the snow still flies, while the rest of us throughout the afternoon just have a very cold rain, a soaker tomorrow with all that rain. But higher elevations, especially the Adirondacks and parts of the Green Mountains, we're likely to see snow. And so what happens there? This is a snow map. Again, Cap and Tim tonight will fine-tune it, so you've got to stay tuned for adjustments. And this is 2,000 to 3,000 feet up. But there's a couple of inches possible, as small as 1 inch to maybe 2 or 3. The National Weather Service even putting out the potential for some snow that will accumulate in the mountainous areas, otherwise a coating. It's going to get a little rough tomorrow, not just because of the rain, the potential for snow up in the mountains, but also those winds, guys. I'm really concerned about winds tomorrow. Anybody could see gusts near 25 to 35 miles per hour. That's windy, but especially in western parts of Vermont, western Mass, those gusts can approach 40 to 50 miles per hour tomorrow evening. This can push on damaging. I think power lines can be compromised tomorrow, especially in western Mass, western Vermont. So just hold on to your hats and just hunker down tomorrow. If you don't have to go outside, tomorrow's one of those days it's a win. I mean, heck, I'm not going out. A, because I don't want to deal with the pelting rain and possibility of snowflakes, but I don't want to get cursed at the grocery store, so I'm just hunkering down. When it's 41 and cold tomorrow, friends, it is miserable for Saturday. Early morning rain Sunday, drying out by the afternoon. Come on Halloween, could we call it sunny 57? It's possible.
Talking snow, Nicole may be the first one to do that.
Just wear a hat, you know.
You guys.
Keep the brim really low.
I'm making chili.